Welcome to Chamber Chat. I'm Stephanie Ford. This week in Small Business Tips, we are chatting with Ashley Powers. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Ashley not only works here at the Chamber part-time, but she also owns her own business, Party Moms. Tell us about that and how it got started.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Party Moms got started about 2 years ago when I was faced with this challenge of working full-time as a mom and having 2 small kids. And so I combined my love of creativity and events with starting my own business in hopes of creating flexible options for moms who may be in that same position. And thanks to my connections here at the Chamber, I've been able to get plugged in to the community and work with some really great clients.
So you're not necessarily an event coordinator.
Correct.
That's kind of a separate thing. You really focus more on designing the event or the party, and then of course providing other services, whether it's centerpieces, balloon arches. You do kind of a variety of decor.
Yeah, so a lot of times nowadays, people come with these grand ideas. You know, we live in the world of Pinterest and Instagram and everything aesthetic. And so we have these grand ideas, but no idea on how to execute them.
Right.
And so really what I do is I work directly with the client to create a customized vision that brings what they want to life. And so we work together to create different scenes, and I really look at it as a full experience. I like to walk the client through the entire party or celebration that they are working on. And then I do everything pretty, is like what I like to say.
And you've got some really, really amazing and unique ideas with some of the events that you've done. One recently went kind of viral on social.
Yes.
So tell us about the social media aspect and how you utilize those platforms.
Absolutely. I did a gala for the Habitat of Humanity, which that connection was formed here at the Chamber. But after I had put the table decor together, I was in my car and I made this quick reel and I drove away. And anyway, every single day, and that was probably about a month ago, every single day I still get engagement from that reel. So I'm at about 250,000 views on Instagram, which is really cool, and really has created the sense of validity for my business as well.
And where can we find you on social media?
You can find me at Party Moms Event Co. on Instagram.
And you brought with you today that viral centerpiece.
Yes.
So let's take a look at that. So ta-da!
Yes.
This is amazing.
Thank you.
It literally looks like a floating paint can.
Thank you.
Tell us what is all this about? How did you come up with this?
Yeah, absolutely. So this was for the Southeast Volusia Habitat for Humanity anniversary party. It was their 35th anniversary, and they came to me a few months before the event and said, you know, we really want Habitat to be the theme. And so we talked about paint cans and how can we use them. We knew we wanted to put floral arrangements inside the paint cans. So that was another table design that we did during this event. Okay, so I'm gonna just take it off. So basically we bought these silver paint cans. We used the chiffon material. We thought chiffon really elevated the look of it. We had considered a cheesecloth at one point, which is very organic. Anyway, my husband and I created this kind of, I call it a paper towel holder.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that's exactly like the paper towel holder I have in my kitchen.
And yeah, between just draping it on top and then balanced the paint can on top, and it's not glued, it does
that's why you need the hot glue.
Spin around. And that's how we created the look.
Amazing. If you want more business tips, tune in to our YouTube channel and make sure you follow Ashley at Party Moms events on social. Thank you so much for joining me, and a special thank you to Shark City Media for producing this content.